How to fix Instagram cannot post carousels. So there could be various reasons for this. The first one being exceed limits. Instagram only allows you up to 20 photos and videos in a single carousel. If your upload fails, then try to reduce the number of slides. The another thing might be too many tags. You are limited to tagging a maximum of 15 accounts in Instagram carousel, so try to remove all of the tags to test if the post will go through. If that still did not work, then try to check if the file is corrupted or is it too large. If a single image or video fails to meet Instagram's space, the entire carousel upload will fail. So try compressing large high-resolution images or removing videos to isolate the faulty file. So if all of these is not a problem and your app is just crashing out, then try to offload the application. For that, what you're gonna do is go back and simply open your settings. After doing that, simply tap on General, and then from here tap on iPhone storage. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see Instagram. Tap on that one, then tap on offload app, then tap on offload app one more time, and within few seconds your Instagram will be offloaded. In order to reinstall it back, all you need to do is tap on reinstall, and after a few minutes Instagram will be reinstalled back on your phone. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to post your carousel. If that still did not work, then it might be the issue with your internet. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.